On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will talk about date manipulation in Python. We will demonstrate the practical usage of the datetime module with code samples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Date manipulation in Python primarily uses the datetime module. This module provides various classes and functions to manipulate dates and times. Below are some examples of basic date manipulation using the datetime module. You can get the current date and time as follows. Datetime now and datetime today return almost the same result, but there can be differences in how they handle time zones. This code retrieves and displays the current date and time, as well as just today's date. You can create a specific date and time as follows. This code creates and displays the specified date and time, November 7, 2023, 10 hours 30 minutes and 45 seconds. Date formatting can be done as follows. This code gets the current date and time, formats it to the specified format using strftime, and displays it. You can convert a string representing a date into a datetime object. This code converts a date represented as a string into a datetime object using starptime and displays it. Date arithmetic can be performed as follows. This code uses time delta to add or subtract days and times from the current date and time, calculating and displaying the date and time for tomorrow, 1 week ago, and 2 hours later. You can also handle time zones with the datetime module. Datetime returns a naive datetime backquote without time zone information by default. You can explicitly handle time zones by using the timezone class or zone info. With the datetime module, you can also handle only dates or only times. The date class handles only dates, and the time class handles only times. Conversion between Unix timestamps and datetime objects is possible. Here, a Unix timestamp refers to the number of seconds elapsed since January 1, 1970. This code converts the current date and time to a Unix timestamp, then uses the from timestamp function to convert that timestamp back to a datetime object. When using the datetime module, you should be aware of the following points. Datetime now does not consider time zones, so for internationalization, you need to explicitly use timezone.utc. Be careful not to confuse %m, month, and %m, minute, in format strings. The DateTime module also provides many other features for flexible date and time manipulation. Additionally, classes like DateTime and TimeDelta are available, specialized for specific operations. Using other libraries also enables more advanced date manipulation. For example, Pandas specializes in handling time series data, while DateUtil is suitable for complex date parsing. Also, the Arrow library is useful too. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.